Quite often when I meet with a new patient that's never seen a chiropractor before, they wonder if I'm going to crack their bones and wonder what that popping noise is that goes along with the adjustments. Well, what that popping noise is, it's a release of pressure. Think of that release of pressure as something as when you're going up in the mountains, driving up and down, your inner ear pops. Or if you're going up in a plane and you have to pop your ear. As soon as there's a pop, that's actually an equalization of pressure to where you feel more comfortable. Same thing applies when you're dealing with a manipulation within the spine. That pop that you hear or feel is an equalization of pressure between a joint that is either fixed in place from the pressure or has pressure built up inside of it because of an injury. The adjustment loosens up that joint, lines it up the way it needs to be so that it functions and moves in the normal plane that it should, so that it ultimately becomes pain-free.